welcome to the NW Services YouTube channel. This beacon that I'm showing you, which is upside down inverted on magnets on the roof or the inside of my van, I purchased this, I think it was in late summer last year. I'll put the exact date in the description of the video, so go check that out. But I bought it. There's quite a lot of conflicting reviews on there. I purchased it, I took it apart completely, and I sealed each module with clear silicone. And up to now it's worked perfectly, and it still does work. It's been on my van since August 2024, but like I said, the exact date will be in the description. I've just taken it off of the roof because the so-called stainless steel magnets that I purchased separately, which is basically tin, aren't they? They're chrome plated rubbish. They've rusted and I don't want marks on my roof. But since I've taken it off the roof of my van and put it upside down, it's now peeing out water from one of the end caps. This one has lasted me so far so good, and it still works, like I've said. But if you buy one, you won't get much more than a couple months out of it, because it will just be full of water and it will short out. But this is the cob amber version. It is bright, don't get me wrong, but it's not R65 bright. But yeah, just be warned really, if you're going to buy one of these, buy at your own risk. It wouldn't be too bad to put as like a traffic advisor in the rear windscreen of a pickup 4-wheel drive Land Rover. But externally mounting one of these on the vehicle, you're throwing your money in the bin basically, because it's just going to get piss wet, full of water, short out and drip all day long like your first girlfriend. But yeah, check the description of the video for the exact date, and buyers be warned basically.